Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about what is database. First of all, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So, what is database? A database is a collection of data which is organized in such a way that each piece of data is available to those who need it and with minimum duplication of data. Another definition of in terms of database may be as a database is a collection of data organized so as to minimize redundancy and maximize access. Advantages of database. The most common advantage of database may be as follows: minimal database redundancy, consistency of database, data integrity, sharing of data, ease of application development, uniform security, privacy and integrity controls, reduced program maintenance. What is constraint? These are the conditions that obey database. And the next is entity, an object of concept identified by an enterprise that exists independently and about which it is necessary to store database. It may be anything like a person, a place, an image or concept or an object. What is attribute? An attribute is the character property of an entity that is of interest to the organization. For example, student is an entity. Its attribute mostly may be student, roll number, name, address, marks, etc. Keys. A key is the distinct for each individuality in an entity set. Key attributes are the attributes whose value are uniquely identified and do not exist again. Now, the super key. A super key is an attribute or a set of attributes that uniquely identifies an entity. For example, student ID is a super key because it can be used to identify each student uniquely. Attributes. An attribute is the character of property of an entity that is of interest of the organization. For example, student is an entity. Its attribute mostly may be student, roll number, name, address, market, etc. Candidate key. It is also a super key. If A equal to student ID name, then its proper subset are student ID and name. Then its subset is itself. It means that extra attributes are removed from the super key. A primary key. The primary key is the successful candidate key, the one actually chosen. It may be a single attribute or composite key. The term secondary key is used to mean alternate key, but secondary key usually means an attribute or set of attributes whose values not necessarily unique are used as a mean of accessing records. Foreign key. A foreign key is an attribute or combination of attributes of an entity that is primary key of another entity. Composite key. If the key consists of more than one attribute for unique identification, then it will be called as composite key. In the next topic, we will discuss about database normalization.